A pre-approval is a mortgage company or bank taking a look at a potential buyer's credit, income, and assets and confirming with underwriting what types of loan programs they'll qualify for, and more importantly, what their maximum is that they can qualify for. It's important so that the home buyer knows what their options are once they find a home, and they can make sure they're setting their price range in the correct category. It also is important so that when they're making an offer on a home, they have a pre-approval letter in hand to show the seller, and that way the seller knows that they're a qualified, serious buyer, and that they'll be able to follow through on getting the financing they need to buy their home. The way you get a pre-approval letter is talking with a mortgage loan officer, and a good way to do it, I think, is by having a conversation with them over the phone. I like to take 10 to 15 minutes to go over the basic information needed for the loan application and talk about the buyer's plans for buying a home. From there, depending on what your sources of income are, I'll let you know what type of paperwork is needed to be reviewed up front to confirm you qualify for the different types of loan programs. It could be as simple as getting a recent pay stub and a W-2 from the prior year, along with a recent bank statement to show your funds for the down payment. From there, an underwriter will review everything and confirm what you qualify for, and I'll call you back to go over the details. Just because you're pre-approved for a certain amount doesn't mean you're necessarily comfortable spending that much on a home. So it's also important to talk about what your monthly budget is that you want to be spending for your mortgage payment. And I'll go over that with you as well, so you know, one, what the maximum is you could potentially get, and two, what price range you're going to want to stay in to keep your payments at a level you're comfortable with. From there, as you're out looking at homes, we can go over different payments for different types of properties or different scenarios, whether you're looking at condos or single family homes or multifamily homes. They're all going to have slightly different factors playing into what your monthly payments will be. And we'll also discuss the closing costs so that you know what to expect other than your down payment that's going to be due at closing for fees. That includes property taxes, homeowners insurance, and mortgage interest that would be due at closing. With the ultimate goal being to give the home buyer all the information they need upfront at the start of the process so that you're well educated and ready to move forward with buying a home.